Da iawn.
Shwmae Trisha dwi, dwi ar cwrs mynediad 1. My reasons for learning Welsh are that I've been living in Wales for quite a few years now, and I've heard quite a bit of Welsh. I think it's a beautiful language, and I like languages in general, and I think it helps to understand the culture a little bit more. I think it's been nice because personally I think it does give more of a feeling of being in Wales, and I think, you know, learning Welsh, yeah, it's hard to describe, but I think it's just a nice way to, you know, if you live in the country, to be able to speak it, really, to speak their language.
I'm loving feeling more linked in to, like, this is quite deep really, but being more linked into my homeland. I've felt politically quite lost from my Welshness, so I'm starting on a journey of like being tapped in again. My mother's not a very well woman, and we're doing Ein Tad Cymraeg, we're doing Our Father who art in heaven, and she's teaching me how to pronounce the words that I can't teach because I can't learn that very well, because was Welsh speaking, but she's lost her ability to explain things, so I'm tapping back into that.
Dechreuais i dysgu Cymraeg rhywbeth fel 4 mlynedd yn ôl. Mae'n nice i just cymdeithasu gyda pobl. Hefyd, ar ôl dim llawer o amser, mae'n nice i just siarad gyda pobl yn Gymraeg, dim yn Saesneg. Mae'n gwahanol.
And also, I'll be able to go to the pub in Welsh. I'll be able to be, drunk in Cymraeg. I'll be able to shop and watch Pêl Drod ar S4C, and it's all open to me now.